How to create a shadow and After Effects. Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we're creating a shadow and After Effects. It can add depth and realism to your composition. Here's how to do it. Start to make a solid layer, then choose a light color to make the shadows visible. Import the object or text you want to add the shadow to. So I choose to make text not closed to darkest colors. With the text layer selected, go to Effect, Perspective, then drop Shadow. This will apply a basic shadow effect behind your object. In the Effect Controls panel, you can adjust the following settings to customize the shadow. Opacity. Adjust the shadow's transparency. Direction. Change the angle of the shadow. Distance. Control how far the shadow is from the object. Softness. Adjust the blur of the shadow edges to make it sharper or softer. Color. Change the color of the shadow if needed. Typically shadows are black or dark gray. By following these steps, you can create both simple and shadows and After Effects, adding depth and professionalism to your project. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.